Okay, so something that I was asked recently was for Apple users that can't use the Texas Instruments applet, um, is there a workaround? And the best workaround is to use Desmos. So that's this website here. This is basically the best online graphing calculator software that I know of. It really can do everything, and it's something that you're probably going to want to familiarize yourself with for the purpose of this course. Um, so let's look at the couple of things that you're going to want to know how to do for using this course. So there's two real things that I want to highlight here. One is how to make a graph. Okay, so here we have the function f of x equals 3x squared plus 2. So what we can do here is we go over and you can type in f of x equals 3x squared plus 2, or you can call your f of x y. This is the difference between function notation or xy notation. It's the same thing either way. Okay, so that's the first point. And then if you want to create a graph using the snipping tool, you can actually, which I believe is Shift Command 4 if you're using Apple, or you're going to have to actually go and run the piece of software if you're using a PC. You can actually just sort of go in there, grab it, copy it, Control C, and then we can actually put it right into our document. And voila. Okay. So that's the first thing that we may want to do. But the second thing that I want to talk about here is how to find a value. So this is one of the reasons that a lot of schools will suggest using the Texas Instruments calculator, because it can save a lot of time. So the best way to do this is you put your function in to the Desmos. Here I already have it in, f of x equals 3x plus squared. What you want to do next is you want to go to Edit List, click that button there, click the Convert to Table. Okay, so what this does now is it's created a table. So let's say that we want to find the value f of 4. Okay, so that means what does f of x equal when x equals 4? We can go back to Desmos and just where x is, just type in 4, and it automatically spits us out the value 50. And voila. If you want f of negative 6, just go back over. You can pick any of the x values. It's just gonna give you the corresponding y, 110. And that's all there is to it. So, so again, the step for that was to just click. Oops. Was to click on the x value, and then to just see what corresponds, and then that gives you the value. So again, you're clicking settings. You want the table, and then it pumps it out, and then you just can put in whatever x value you want, and it'll give you the corresponding y value. Hopefully this helps. Thanks.